So here we have these VEVOR wood slat acoustic panels. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so these are the 8-foot panels, and this is the box they come in. And then opening it up, you can see they come really well packaged. They're surrounded in foam, and they're also wrapped in plastic wrap. There's a couple different sizes and colors you can choose, but these are the 8-foot walnut slats. The backs of these are made from a high-density fiberboard, and that's the main component that's going to help reduce the noise. And then the slats themselves are made from this black MDF with a walnut veneer on top. And the walnut veneer has some sort of matte finish on it to protect it. The edges of these slats are a little bit sharp, and it doesn't feel like they were sanded. Anyway, they come with this user manual that kind of shows you how to install them. If you want them to look perfect, you can glue them to the wall, but some other options are to use some staples or screws. And they do actually come with a couple packs of black screws, which match the fiberboard all right, and that's going to be the easiest way to install these. These panels are actually surprisingly rigid. They only flex a little bit. Of course, lengthwise, they're a bit more flexible, so if your walls aren't perfectly flat, these will attach just fine. And each individual slat measures about 1/16 of an inch. And then the actual length of these is just 1.5 inches shy of 8 foot. Which makes these really easy to put up on a standard 8-foot wall because you don't have to cut them. If you do have to cut them though, it's not too difficult. You just have to use a chop saw or a circular saw. And just a quick tip, if you do have to cut them, I recommend putting painter's tape over the slats so you get a much cleaner cut. And then once you go to put these up on your wall, it's super easy. Just line it up vertically and then put a level up to the side of your board, and then you can screw it or staple it in. And once you get the first one secured onto your wall, you can see the next one has this little overlap, and you can see it fits over it just like this, and it has pretty consistent spacing. And then you just continue putting the rest of the panels up. One thing I will mention is that one of these boards I got isn't perfectly straight. You can see there's a bigger gap right here. And obviously you don't want that inconsistent gap, which makes it look bad. So you can kind of just straighten it out like this, then screw it in, and then it looks just fine. So yeah, overall, these are pretty nice acoustic panel wall slats. I also like how they come with screws. And overall, I'd say these are some pretty good panels considering how cheap they are compared to some others.